I know we all love haul videos, so here I am with my biggest ever haul video for you all, and I have these packages all to unbox right in front of you. So I hope you enjoy my video and let's get started. So let me first start with this box, and in this one I have got this Nykaa Get Inked Sketch Eyeliner. Got this in the black shade. A regular ink liner, so here it is. This is the black one, and a regular one which I'll need for my videos in the long run. So yes, I needed this, I got this one. After this I have two products from Sugar. One is this, this also I got free. I got this one. I got this translucent powder all set to go of Sugar. This is a really nice translucent powder. All white with a mirror. It has a mirror and a small puff. It has a small puff, and then it has this, there is a thin rim which I have to remove to get the powder. So this is the packaging of this one. Really nice packaging, travel friendly. And with this I got this one, this Kajal, Twist and Shout Fade Proof Kajal in the shade 01 Black Velvet. This one. So I got this for free and I'm very happy. And yes, this is black, and also this is very soft to swatch. So this is the swatch, this one there, this is the swatch. This is very black color, so it's nice. It can be used in several videos obviously. Then I have M-Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub, and this is the one that I use on a daily basis. If not on a daily basis, I use this in alternative days, and during this lockdown I was running short of it. So this is the first thing that I had to order because I love this product like anything. This has helped me a lot with my dry skin and everything. So I just love this product. This is my all year round product that I use throughout the year, and whenever I see that there is a little left, I ordered the other one because I just love this one. I use this in regular basis. So if you ask me about a good body scrub for daily use, then you should get this one. This one is really nice. This does not make your skin dry after using, rather it makes your skin more smooth. So I really like this one, and I use this one throughout the year. You can also go for this one. Then I got these two lipsticks. One is Milani. I really liked this color a lot. I wanted this color for so long. This is again the same thing I'll say. Being a dusky skin girl, I love brown color like anything because brown is the color that suits every dusky skin tone all the time. So I had to get this brown color, and this is a different kind of brown that I did not find in any other brands, means affordable brands. So this is in the shade 19 Povet, and this is their Milani Creme Matte Lip Cream in the shade 19 Covet, and this is a very different and very lovely brown color. So I got this, and you will see me wearing this color in lot of videos because I love this color. This one, a fabulous color. Then I got this nail paint because I wanted a pink color. As you can see, I am already wearing a pink one, and I like this kind of neutral pink color, which is near about a pastel color, so it looks very on trend. And this is in the shade 209. This is a Nykaa Gel Shine Lacquer in the shade 209. Then I got this Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer plus Perfect. So this is medium to full coverage, lightweight, oil-free formula, long wear, water resistant, and I again wanted this for a very long time. I really wanted this for a very long time, so I got it for myself. I have got it in the shade 06 Sand Beige. This might be a little light for my skin tone, but because my face is a little darker than my body, but if I wear, you know, off shoulder tops and all that, then this is the perfect color, so I had to get this. And otherwise for my daily use it might look a little light, so I can manage it with my bronzer and everything, so that is not an issue. But this color I had to get this one. 07 would have been a little bit darker for me, so I thought of getting one that is a little lighter, because darker would be tough to work with, so I got this one. It is in the shade 06 Sand Beige. Then I again got another foundation, and this is the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 30. This has a really lovely packaging. You open this one, then there is this foundation, and then you open the foundation and there is a pump. So both this Milani foundation and this both has a pump, and pump is a must. For me pump is a must because I already have Fit Me that does not have pump, and that creates a lot of problem for me. So I always prefer a foundation that has pump. So I got these two, and also I got these two because these two I have seen that it gives a kind of natural finish and not those matte finish. I don't like matte finish foundation because I already have dry skin, and matte finish foundation make me even more drier looking. So I got these two, and you will see me working with these two in my videos, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, so that you get notification whenever I post any video. I have thought of posting on Tuesday and on Saturday, so please stay tuned for that. Then I got this one, Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. Face primer. Tone plus smoothen plus perfect. I hope this does what it says. So let me try, then I'll let you know. Then I got these two lipsticks. Okay, anyways, if you are thinking how I have got this look, and if you want to get this look, then I have already uploaded a video on my channel, so you can click it. It will be given somewhere here in the I button, so you can click over there and see my video. So I got these two lipsticks, and both are Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. One is in the shade Mauve Ecstasy and other is in the shade 20 Wine Touch. So let's see the color. This is Wine Touch, and this is Mauve Ecstasy number 15. This is Wine Touch, and this is Mauve Ecstasy. Wine Touch, Mauve Ecstasy. If you can see, this is number 20 and this is number 15. So both are really good color for dusky skin tone. I always find those colors that will suit my skin tone. Sometimes I choose the right one, sometimes I don't. I will also show you in one of my video how I manage with the colors that does not match to my skin tone. Okay, anyways, after that I got this one, Plum Face Mist. So I have this one already, this Plum face mist, but this is in the grape seed and sea buckthorn of one, but this one is a green tea one. This is for dry skin and this is for oily skin. So I gave this one a try. I wanted to give this one a try to so that I can compare and choose which one is good for, which one is better for me, and can buy the next time. So this is really good because it makes your skin hydrated instantly as soon as you apply it. So this is really good. Let me see how this works and then I can let you know. Let me just check. Okay, so with that M Caffeine body scrub, I got this one for free. This is their M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Hand Cream. I got this one for free again, so I am happy. Then I got these two eyelashes for my eye looks that I will be doing every now and then. So these are the two eyelashes that I got. Both are from PAC, because PAC lashes are really good because you get a lot of options to choose from. So one is this one, PAC 56, and another is this one, PAC M75. So I got this one. This is a little natural looking, not totally, and this is really dramatic for my dramatic eye looks. So I got these two. Then I got this one. This is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose 3-in-1 Primer Water Prep plus Set plus Refresh. So I already had this one, the setting spray, and I wanted to try this one because I love rose fragrance a lot and I am really loving this fragrance. This is so refreshing. I am really loving this one, this fragrance. I am loving it. So this is the one I have got. Next I got this Miss Claire lip liner in the shade Deep Maroon L16, and this is the shade. This is the shade. If you can see, this is the shade. And I had one maroon lip liner, but it was getting a little short. I have used it a lot, so I needed another one. Next I got these two things from Wet n Wild. So if I am buying something, some makeup product, it has to has Wet n Wild product. So this is their liquid highlighter Hello Mega Glow, Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade Gilded Glow. This is in the shade Gilded Glow, and I think this will be a great color for dusky skin tone, so I got this one. Ooh, this is so pigmented. Can you see? This is so pigmented. This is the one. And then I got this one, this Wet n Wild Mega Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. This is a clear mascara and it can be used in several ways. For your, if you don't want that black thick mascara, you can use this one and get out of your house for the entire day. You can use this to, see your brow and set it also. So this is good for that as well. After buying 3 things from Wet n Wild, I got this for free again, and obviously everyone loves free stuff, even I do. So this is the one. This is Wet n Wild Twin Eyebrow Pencil. Yay! Twin Eyebrow Pencil. Twin Eyebrow Pencil. So this I got for free. I don't think after several other eyebrow product I will be using this a lot, but yes, for daily use purpose if not for this video purpose, for daily use purpose, this is really good. This I can use for, means this I can use every day, so this is good for that purpose. So I can use this as well. Actually, you know, none of the makeup products gets wasted because we love doing makeup. At least I love doing makeup, so my products never get wasted. I love makeup, and that's why this channel, and that's why everything. I got this one from Maybelline, their Instant Age Rewind, and I have got it in the shade 144 Caramel, and this is exactly my skin tone, so I can use this again for daily basis, on daily basis, when I don't want to brighten my skin, but I just want to, you know, erase my hyperpigmentation and dark circle part. So for that, this is it. I have got this one. This is, I said, this is in the shade 144 Caramel. Then I got the Swiss Beauty highlighter brick highlighter, and I got it in the shade 01, and I got this shade out of others because I found that it has almost all the shades that I might need. It has that bronzed kind of shade, it has golden shade, it has pinkish shade, so it has all sorts of shades. So I got this one. This is a really nice highlighter. This is affordable, this is cheap, still it is really nice. If you want to see, let me show it to you. So this is the fan brush, and I am taking all the shades, and I am using this on my cheekbones and over here, and you can see the glow it gives, so it is really nice. It is not at all those shimmery particles, I can't see much of it, but if you mix all this, then it can be a bomb highlighter for your party makeup. Not for daily wear, but for party makeup it is good because it gives you that high intensity of highlighting effect, so it can be used for that purpose. Last but not the least, obviously, got this one. This is also for my daily use. I really like this Color Bar nail remover because it is acetone free, and I use this one only every time I buy this itself. Always I buy this one, so I got this one. I had to restock this one. This also got emptied during the lockdown, so I had to wait a lot. To get this product back. So this is again another thing that I had to get as soon as the lockdown ended. So this is it. So this is the end of the video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell button beside the subscribe button so that you get my update every time I upload a video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.